so much for watching. Today I'm going to show you guys how I wave my hair and get all this volume, because the waver is great, but you also need to use like the right products to get like so much volume. And this is the hair waver that I'm using. It's the TG Bedhead hair waver that I bought on Amazon. So go ahead and keep watching to learn more. So I already took a shower and I went ahead and I dried my hair, and then I used a heat protectant spray. This is the Dry Bar Pep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. It is supposed to protect your hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what I did, because you know you gotta protect your hair when you use heat products. And now I'm just going to go ahead and brush my hair so there's no tangles. How many of you guys need a haircut? Because I know I do. So there we go, brush the hair. And I'm using this. It's the TG Bedhead Wave Artist. I bought this on Amazon, and the weird thing is I'm looking everywhere for this and they're sold out. So I'm going to give you guys similar ones. I'm going to give you, this is probably a really old model, that's why they don't have like the purple handle one, but I've seen this exact waver in different like handle colors. I'm going to link everything for you guys, okay? So now I'm going to put on gloves. These are random heat protectant gloves. This one's a Numi one. You guys can find random heat protectant gloves on Amazon as well. That's where I like buy everything pretty much. And when I bought this, it was like under $30. So it's a really good price for something that I use so often. So now I'm going to show you guys how I use it. So I grab about an inch section like this, and I turn this on and I let it heat. And you know it's hot when it's red. There's a little signal. And you can either wave your hair this way or the bump up, but I like to wave my hair with the bump going down. So I grab that 1 inch section. I'm going to look right here because this is where my mirror is. Like this, and then I clamp down. And I hold for about 10 seconds. Depending on how fine or thick your hair is or how your hair holds a curl. My hair does not hold a curl very well, so I clamp a lot longer than usual. So here we go. Clamped it down like this. Gonna let go and repeat the process. You begin where the wave ends and you do it again, and you just clamp it down. This is just an excuse for us to hang out, you guys. I did a get ready with me with this makeup look. It's like my go-to makeup look that I use for like all my Instagram pictures. Just my everyday makeup look. Clamp, and then you begin again like that. And honestly, you just keep repeating, you guys. It doesn't take that much effort. That's why I like this hair waver so much. My go-to hairstyle was the Numi hair wand. Oh my god, that Numi hair one was the best thing ever. But after I discovered this, I was like, dude, this is so quick and easy. Honestly, if I were to time myself, it takes less than 7 minutes, honestly. Probably gonna take more time since I'm like chatting with you guys, but it honestly takes less. But you see this little bit? Oh my god, you just go in where that little bit ends, like that. I grab it still because I want it to be curled. Come on, get in there. Yeah, so I wear gloves because I'm super clumsy, and I highly recommend you do so if you're especially touching the ends of your hair. But look at that wave. I mean, wow. I love this little wave. And I don't run my fingers through it quite yet. I just grab again sections of hair, and I just keep doing the same thing. So if you guys don't mind, I'm just going to do a speed up version. And I will come back with you guys on what I do for the rest of my hair, because I add volumizing spray, I add hairspray, and it just makes my hair look bigger. I swear, whenever I do my hair like this, I be feeling like I look like I have hair extensions, but I don't. It's my hair, all of it. And yeah, it just looks like so much hair when I don't even have that much hair. It's so good. I love this hair waver so much. I've tried my hair with the other way around, you know, the lump going up. But it just looks weird on me, so I stopped doing it that way, and I just do it this way with the lump going down like that. You guys, we're going to this side now, okay? So I grabbed some from the back. and I'm clasping in like that, like I do. I want to give you guys like a quick review of this because I feel like it deserves like a review. I feel like whenever I wave my hair, the waves last all day, and it's just so worth the money because your hair looks so voluminous. The waves last all day. Like honestly, it really does. And for less than 30 bucks, I mean, who knows how much the other brands are charging and how much Amazon is charging, because you know sometimes Amazon charges too much sometimes. So I'm gonna give you guys different links: Amazon, anywhere, all the sites of where you guys can find it. But my curls last really long, and I do this multiple times a week, and I feel like my hair hasn't had much damage because I use heat protectant spray. That's really important, because if you don't use heat protectant spray, you could totally burn the ends of your hair. So my hair is layered, so some hairs are shorter than others. But yeah, the whole trick of it is to clasp longer than usual if you have thicker hair. Like my best friend Dee, I did her hair when we went on a mommy getaway, and I showed her how to use one, and she ended up buying one at Walmart. So see, there you go. You guys can walk into Walmart and find this. She ended up buying a similar one at Walmart. It looks exactly like it, and her hair looks so good, but her hair texture is different, and she has like 3 times much more hair than me. She has like really thick, voluminous, beautiful hair. So we have to get little bits of hair, like 1/2 inch sections, not even an inch, like 1/2 inch with her hair because it's so thick. And we have to clamp longer. All right, you guys, we are almost done. So this is what it looks like when I've curled all of the hair, right? So it looks like this. Now I run my fingers through it gently. I don't like using a brush because I feel like it separates it a little too much. So it looks like that. And so what I do next is I apply this. It's a Air Magic Texturizing Spray. It adds volume. So let me show you guys. I go under the hairs and I zhuzh it like this. And it just, I feel like it adds more volume. You'll see, you guys. You'll see. Hold on. I'll go under here. Zhuzh it. And then I go to another layer, zhuzh it, go in the back, zhuzhing it, just, I don't know, it just adds so much texture. Like, Lord, do you see that? It just does the dang thing. And I'm going to zhuzh it in the back too. Zhuzh it in the back. Keep zhuzhing it like this. So it looks like that. Whew, so much hair, yes. So much hair. So it looks like this. I'm just looking in the mirror because I can't really see myself. Okay, so it looks frizzy, right? It's looking a little frizzy, not to my liking. So what I do is I grab some hairspray. This is Blowout Solutions Quick Drying Humidity Resistant Lightweight Brushable Flexible Hold Lasting Shine. It's by Ion. And I like this hairspray because it smells good. It doesn't smell like stinky hairspray. Have you had an experience with stinky hairspray? And it's a flexible hold. A drugstore alternative would be this Dove one that I had, but I ran out of the Dove one. So yeah, I spray that. It's looking good. And then this one, I spray it down too. I know it seems like a lot, but this is like a flexible hold kind of, and it doesn't make your hair crunchy. Right? So it looks like this. And what I usually like to do is I like to add like my braided Amazon hairband or my pearl headbands. Let me show you guys the different options you guys can do. You can definitely go in with a headband like this leopard one. Amazon, you guys. Just wear it like this. I love the leopard one. This is also my go-to, like a good everyday, because I like to wear black a lot. So I like to put this on. Amazon as well. I love this one. This is like my current go-to right now. I love pearls, and it comes in different sizes. Again, bought it on Amazon, y'all. It comes in a big one, a little one. I like to layer it. I like to do like 2 little ones like this, or I go in and I do a big one like this, and it's just so pretty. But of course, it's a whole lot of hair looking like extensions, so sometimes you gotta tame it like that. And lastly, I have 2 of these braided headbands. This one ended up being a little too light. Like if you guys can see, it's a little too light. But this braided headband, it is perfect. So I just put it on like this. And again, I bought this on Amazon. It was like 13 bucks. Like that. I go under. Oh, sometimes it breaks. So I'm sweaty, you guys. I do this. I go under. Thank goodness it didn't break. Whew, sorry y'all. Your girl out here sweating. Hold on. Ay gulay. I'm just gonna keep all this bad footage, all this crazy footage in the video because that is real life. But do you guys like see how like it looks like a headband? Like it looks like braids, but it's actually a headband. So yeah, I be doing that sometimes too. But I was just too sweaty to actually put it on, you guys. But yeah, that's my hair tutorial. I hope it was helpful, but I hope that you guys had fun just hanging out most of all. But I hope that you enjoy these tips. Like you can go in with Volair, this thing called Ooh, my press-on nails just got jacked up. Volair, go in like this, zhuzh it, and zhuzh it again. But whew, tiger hair, lioness hair on fleek, right? A little more hairspray since I jacked it up, doing all those different hair bands. Yeah, and we're good to go. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Join me on Instagram because that's where I'm at a lot. And I'll see you guys next time.